Welcome to the session of power electronics. In this video, I am going to discuss the design of single-phase full-wave controller using MATLAB. So, as you can see, there is one numerical example related to single-phase full-wave controller. You can read the numerical example like a single-phase full-wave AC voltage controller has resistive load of R equal to 10 ohm and the input voltage is 120 volt. It is in RMS, root mean square value, and the supply frequency is 60 Hz. The delay angle of thyristor T1 and T2 are pi by 2. Both are same only. Determine the RMS output voltage, then input power factor, the average current of thyristor IA, and the RMS current of thyristor IR. These are all the parameters I need to calculate. You already know the theoretical calculation. So based on the theoretical calculation, I can calculate the RMS output voltage using this certain formula. By substituting the delay angle alpha is equal to pi by 2, I am able to get the V naught equal to 84.85. This is the first part. You may use different formula as well. There is no need to worry. So ultimately, I am getting 84.85 volt. That is the RMS output voltage. When it comes to the input power factor, the formula of input power factor V naught by Vs cos alpha, you know alpha equal to pi by 2. By substituting that, I'll be getting the power factor is equal to 0. So kindly use other formula if you are pretty convenient. When it comes to thyristor current, I'm using the formula Ia equal to 1 by pi 0 to pi Vs sin omega t by R, where R is the resistive load. By substituting that, I'll be getting the Ia is equal to 7.64 amps. So this is another formula to compute average thyristor current. When it comes to the RMS thyristor current, we can use the formula which is given over here. Therefore, I'll be getting IS equal to 8.49. These are the numerical segment. Now let's move on to the MATLAB programming. So moving on to the discussion. First of all, I request you to open the MATLAB. Go to the editor file. Okay, go to the command prompt, type edit, so that you will be getting a new editor file. So now let me type the program. Okay. The program comprises of, first of all, you need to enter the input parameters like this. So R, then Vs, alpha. Okay. Later you need to perform the calculation. So let me calculate the output voltage, RMS output voltage using this formula. Vs into means star, SQRT, square root 1 by Pi. Pi stand for pi. Okay. Star pi by 2. Okay. That means in like a direct formula will be converted into like a coding. In order to print the output will be printed in the form of like RMS output voltage. This percentage, that is string formatting. So next is actually computation of input power factor using the same formula. PF equal to V naught RMS by Vs star cos alpha. Okay. Now I'll be printing the input power factor. Later I need to calculate the average current of a thyristor. Okay. You can check it up. The average current formula can be written directly. Now I'll be displaying the like the same comment at the output screen. Now RMS current of thyristor, you can use the formula. So ultimately I'll be getting this. Okay, these are the formula. So now let me save the program. Okay, I have saved the program. Now I would like to go for like running the program. Let me run the program. Yes. So give the add to path. Yes, I'm able to get the value like this. RMS output voltage, then input power factor, then average current of thyristor, then all the parameters, I can easily get it. So this is regarding the MATLAB code. So we have verified both theoretical calculation and the output which is obtained from the MATLAB. So this is regarding the design part of single phase full wave controller. Okay. So if you have any queries, kindly put up in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.